Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to change region in Netflix. First, locate the Google Chrome app. Tap on it to open the browser. In the Google search bar, type "What is my IP address?" and hit search. Tap on the first link that appears in the search results. This page will display your current IP address, which indicates your current region. Close Google Chrome and open the Play Store app on your mobile device. In the search bar at the top, type Privado VPN and press search. Find the Privado VPN app in the list of results and tap on it. Install the VPN app by tapping the Install button. If you cannot find Privado VPN, you can choose another VPN app with good reviews. Once the VPN app is installed, open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the VPN. Select a server location from the list of available regions. Tap the Connect button to activate the VPN. You may see a key icon in the status bar indicating the VPN is connected. Go back to Google Chrome and refresh "What is my IP address?" page. You should now see a different IP address that matches the region of the VPN server you connected to. With the VPN connected to your IP address changed, open the Netflix app on your mobile device. You should now see the Netflix library for the region corresponding to your new IP address. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.